Hello friends!
Hello friends.
Today we have come up with a new activity and it is pasta necklace making activity. And for that we need colored pasta, scissor and a thread. Now how to color the pasta? For that I have taken some vinegar and in vinegar I have added some food color. And we also need pasta. So to color the pasta, I will take a sealed poly bag, add vinegar and food color mixture in this poly bag. Then add pasta to it. Seal it to avoid any mess. And then squishy. After mixing it properly, take this pasta out on a kitchen towel paper and let it dry for at least 1 hour. So now Mishka will make a necklace using this thread and this pasta. Mishka, would you like me to show you how to do it? Orange one. I have also attached this thread to something hard so Mishka can take this thread through the pasta. Okay, Mishka, hold from here and then like this. Awesome? Try it. Cool. Yeah, okay.